A really cool day today after yesterday's warm-up. Can you keep up with the changes? Bob's here to help.
It's spring in Boise. Let's get
Sure
right to
is.
it. A lot to talk about. Here's our weather headlines. And we're looking at unsettled weather for today. Very windy conditions. The winds will really kick in about 4 to 7 p.m. this afternoon and this evening. Much cooler temperatures for today, but nice the rest of the week. So let's end on a high note. There's a live look outside, some dry pavement out there, but we did get a little bit of a passing sprinkle, some locations around the Boise area anyway. 42 degrees, winds sustained at 20 miles per hour. Already quite windy out there. Satellite map has one disturbance. This will push up into Alaska. This is the disturbance that we're more concerned about, and it's trailing cold front. It pushed on through this morning about 7 to 8 o'clock, but we also had some downsloping winds drying out the air mass, so Boise got by kind of unscathed. Here's the big picture, our futurecast. Here's the front pushing off to the east, and then we'll just see some hit and miss showers throughout the afternoon hours. And some winds will be cranking up, but then as we head into the rest of Wednesday, into Thursday, on into Friday, hardly a cloud in the sky. We do have some watches and warnings still in effect. Looks like the mountains around Salt Lake could be picking up some decent amounts of some snow, 6 to 12 inches. Expect some winter driving conditions if you're driving through the upper elevations in northern Utah. A high wind warning in effect for eastern Idaho. Could see some wind gusts of 55 miles per hour. And we have that wind advisory in effect. It started at 10 o'clock this morning until 9 o'clock. We expect the strongest winds kind of in between that time frame, probably late afternoon, early evening hours. Here's our satellite map. You can see a lot of that moisture is pushed off to the east. And now we're just left mainly with some clouds, but it's possible we could see a passing shower. The big story is the winds. Here's the winds right now, 20 miles per hour in Boise, some stronger winds in south central Idaho into the Magic Valley. And here's peak wind gusts, 44 up to 43 in Mountain Home. Most locations around the Boise area in the 30s to upper 20s as far as miles per hour. And here's our futurecast as we move through the time steps. Here's this afternoon. Rain showers very close to us, and also some mountain snow, just some hit and miss showers. That's why we have a 40% chance of some lingering showers. I think most of the biggest chance of moisture has moved off to the east along with that cold front, and then clear skies as we head into Friday. It's possible some locations in Boise could pick up 1/100th of an inch, not a big rainmaker. As far as snow, looking at 1 inch to 3 inches for some of our mountain locations. Here's our forecast, mostly cloudy, cooler and windy, some scattered rain and snow possible for the Magic Valley. Rain and snow 1 to 2 inches possible for Sun Valley, and rain-snow mix switching over to some snow this afternoon, much cooler. And most of our precipitation has decreased here in the valley, about a 40% chance, and that includes Canyon County. For Boise, we have a 40% chance of some additional moisture in the form of some rain now that the coldest air has moved off. And then breezy, sunny for Wednesday, warming up as we head into Friday. Rick?